Thanks for tuning in. Today I want to share a vlog of some museums that I've been to in New York City. But before we get into that, I do have a really special piece that I got from LV that I also wanted to sneak in here. So I'm sure a lot of you are curious about what the LV piece is, so I'll definitely start off with that. And then I want to share some museum exhibits that I've been to. So I will be sharing all of that as well, but without further ado, let me start off with the LV piece. So this really special piece arrived in this box. It's actually a gift from our SA. If you watched my What I Got for Christmas video, you saw we got some really cute LV tags that were hand painted with the holiday pattern on it, which were really special. We were really grateful to have. And we thought that was, you know, our kind of holiday piece, which we were ecstatic with. And then I think the last video of 2020 that I uploaded was my Chanel VIP gift, which I also wasn't expecting. That I did as like a true unboxing. It arrived, I turned the camera on, and we went for it. This one arrived, I think, just at the end of the New Year. So we actually opened it up so that we can, you know, let our SA know that we got it. And so I'm actually filming this a few days later, but I still wanted to share what was in this box. We also got some of the upcoming season stickers. I think these are from the spring summer 2021 collection, because I think these are like the little monsters characters that are part of that collection. So inside is this picture frame in this beautiful navy blue leather. And I will do a close-up so you can see the LVs that pretty much are embossed in the leather, and it makes like a border basically. I was wondering how this piece gets held onto the picture frame, because there's only a pull tab to open it, and there's no, you know, those little like metal bits that you fold over to hold the back of the frame. And we conclude and we think that it's actually magnetic. How awesome is that? So this is the new piece. This was the lovely gift that our SA had sent over to us for the holidays that we are super excited about. We're now slightly stressing over what photo we're going to put inside. We were like, oh, now we need like a cute photo to put in here, and we're not quite sure what that's going to be. But I think actually it might be fun to make that memory in 2021 to encase in this frame. Now I want to transition into like the vlog portion of this video. I recently went to the MoMA and the Morgan Library and Museum. Those are two kind of institutions that are in New York City. They are currently open and they have exhibits. At the MoMA, I focused on seeing the David Judd exhibit, which I think ended or ends right about now. But I also then took time to go through the rest of the floors and see the other contemporary pieces. It was really cool because each floor had like a different period of artwork, and you could see how the art styles progressed over time as you went through all of the floors. So I thought that was really interesting. At the Morgan Library and Museum, there's currently a David Hockney exhibit. It focuses much more on the drawings from his life rather than his sort of famous paintings. So we went to go see that exhibit, and and it was, in my opinion, I thought it was really great. It was really insightful. I liked that you were able to see a much more personal side of an artist versus just, you know, the pieces that they might be famous for. And then of course we stopped into the infamous library that's there as well. We try our best to capture as much as we can when we are out and about and doing something a bit different in the city. So I hope you enjoy. just wanted to pop back on here to close out this vlog. I really hope you enjoyed both of that footage. I don't know how much I actually got of the Angelina Paris cafe that's in New York City, but I highly recommend. There's usually a line outside, so it might deter you, but I think it's because they're only doing takeout and they're trying to really restrict the people that are inside the store. All of the pieces that we got, all of the dessert pieces that we got were absolutely delicious. The Mont Blanc is what they're most famous for, I think, and it's like what they invented. Personally, it was not my favorite. It's like basically like a chestnut cream with another kind of whipped cream underneath it and a meringue cookie. And for me, I like my desserts to have a little bit more texture than just like a chestnut paste. That's pretty much predominantly what the texture is. There is some meringue cookie at the bottom, but for me that wasn't enough to kind of cut through the creaminess of that dessert. I'm still glad I got it to try it because I know that's what they're known for. But if I go again, I would definitely get the Paris, New York. That was pretty much a cream puff. And I would get the tarte citron, which was the citrus tart, and I would definitely pick up the hot chocolate again. The small size is more than enough. It's a very decadent style hot chocolate, so for me the small was more than enough. But yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below or head on over to Instagram and I'd be happy to help however I can. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate all of your feedback and support. If you like this kind of content and you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I post new fashion related videos every Sunday and Wednesday. So until next time,